Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300D generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the oxygen sensor, heater, fuses and relays are located, if you have problems with oxygen sensor and you want to see how to test it, we'll have videos on our YouTube channels. By the way, if you need to buy oxygen sensors, O2 sensors, we'll share the information in the video. That way do not waste money and time. You can see where you can get them from. So let's start on it now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. The oxygen sensor heater guys, how we can test that, how we can do figure out if it works, videos will be on the channel, but fuses, relays will need to be checked as well. And we need to work in two different fuse boxes. The first one, we need to open the hood, and once we guys open the hood, you see, it doesn't matter if you have the 3.6 V6 or the V8 engine, you need to come facing the engine. That's on the left side. The passenger side, you have a fuse box right here. These two tabs needs to be squished together, pull the cover out, and you're going to find the fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Here guys, let's zoom in a little bit. We need to check multiple fuses. Why? Because now there is very limited information about the oxygen sensor, heater, fuses and relays, but you need to check all your engine management fuses and relays, where they're located. By the way, if you want to see how to test oxygen sensor heater, we'll have the video on the channel. Here in that row of fuses, okay, even if you have a missing fuse, you have to count that fuse. That's fuse 28, 29, 30, 31. Fuse 31 will need to be checked right here. Then you need to check fuse 34, 35. And you need to check fuse 37 right here. Also check relay 63, which is known as ASD relay there. After that, go ahead and open the trunk. Once you open the trunk, leave the carpet liner up. Underneath you have a spare tire, car battery. Behind it, you see that's a fuse box here, guys. That's a closer look of that same fuse box. Press the tabs together here, pull the cover out. Underneath, multiple fuses and relays. We need to check relay 29 right there, and some models may have relay 14 as well. If you have it, check it guys, it will be in that corner there. Those are the main things you need to check for the oxygen sensor, heater, fuses and relays on Chrysler 300. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses, guys. You can see different fuses, relays, that's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them, guys. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck, guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind, keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.